Today, we're diving into the frustrating issue of unresponsive Ps4 controller buttons because nothing kills a gaming session faster. Let's troubleshoot why your controller buttons might not be working, starting with a simple check dust and debris. This is the first step. Over time, dust, crumbs, and other debris can accumulate under the buttons, preventing them from properly registering your actions. Taking the controller apart can void the warranty. To clean it, you can take different approaches. You can carefully blow compressed air around the buttons, aiming to dislodge any particles. You could also grab a soft, dry cloth or cotton swab and wipe around the buttons and crevices of your controller. Be gentle. Next, let's try a reset. Sometimes a quick refresh can do the trick. With your Ps4 turned on, use a small, pointed object, like a paperclip or toothpick, to press the reset button located on the back of your controller. It's a tiny hole near the L2 button. Hold the reset button down for a few seconds, and then release. If that doesn't work, now let's make sure your controller is running the latest firmware. Go to your Ps4 settings menu, scroll down to devices, then controllers, and then communication method. Here, select use USB cable if the controller buttons are working. Now scroll down until you find device software. It may say controller device software. This will show you if your controller software is up to date or offers an option to update it. If you've tried all these steps and your buttons are still not working, unfortunately, it might be a hardware issue. This could involve damage to the button contact pads, internal circuit problems, or even a complete controller failure. At this stage, you may need to contact PlayStation support for repair options or purchase a new controller to get back to your gaming adventures. Remember to always prioritize safety and consult professional help if you're uncomfortable with any of the procedures.